Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Sorry I'm sounding a little bit winded, but I'm trying to get all my plants planted. I planted some broccoli and cauliflower, and the rest of these are collards. This is my first year planting raised beds, and I'm learning a lot. Normally when I plant my collards, I'll go ahead and get them planted. I'll give them water, and I'll give them a couple of days before I even think about putting any type of fertilizer to them. Normally what I do, I go out a little bit with some rabbit manure and put that beside them, because rabbit manure, it ain't like chicken. Chicken manure can burn up your stuff if you don't watch what you're doing. But I'll make a tea also and pour on this stuff. But what I'm doing with these bales, I take this stick, and bales have different sides to them. You know, they call them flakes, I guess. Well, I get in there like that and I'll pull it apart. Well, I take that scoop, and I'm just using dirt off the ground, and I'll pack that in there real good, and then I'll plant my plant. But these bales are 36 inches, so from the edge I'm going about 9 inches. So that leaves me an 18-inch space in between these two and the next one in the next bale. So that's a little bit probably overkill, but this, like I said, this is experimentation this year, and we'll see how it runs. I still got I got 40 more collards to plant, and then I got to water everything. I'm fixing to go get a chair now because I've been stooped down and it's killing my back, so I've got to get in a chair and move from place to place. But the experiment goes on. I missed two right there because I'm running to get my chair and get a water jug where I can pull some water out here. Once I get them, after about a week of watering them every day, they're on their own. And we've been getting some pretty good storms here later on in the night. And but I'm gonna go ahead and give them some water today just to be on the safe side. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.